Hello, it's a girl Vivian, your favorite software developer, and of course the founder of Grey Africa Hub. Today I'll be talking about choosing a programming language or stack. There's actually no wrong or right choice of choosing a programming language or stack. The most important things to consider while choosing a programming language or stack are your goals and commitment towards mastering of any programming language or stack you choose. You should, however, consider that the stack of any programming language you choose determines the type of work you do and the nature of opportunities that are available to you. If you're a beginner, especially if you have no background in computer science, you may want to avoid starting with languages such as C, C++, C#, or Java. While these languages are at the core of programming languages, and being proficient with them will make it much more easier for you to pick up other tools. You should also consider that they are typically difficult for a beginner to learn. If you are new, and I'll actually advise that you focus on learning the fundamentals of computer programming and building up momentum. Doing this will make you transition to other languages or picking up tools easily. Depending on your goals, you can actually start with languages with gentle learning curve and intuitive syntaxes such as Python and JavaScript. These languages are actually widely used and they have a ton of free learning materials online to help you get started. Python and JavaScript are languages used by organizations of different size, spanning different industries. So they are readily available tools and internship opportunities for developers of different skill levels in them. Developers in different communities often argue with themselves, debating what programming language is the easiest. The core of this argument is actually to show superiority. However, the truth is that this is anecdotal. I am a JavaScript evangelist. However, I must admit that I find Python much more easier to learn. A lot of its syntaxes are English-like, and of course, they are naturally intuitive as a result of that. In deciding what languages or stack to choose, you should consider carefully your goals and your career path. JavaScript is used extensively in web development, while Python, although it has some uses in web development, is mostly used in data science and analysis world. If your goal is to become a full-stack web developer, you may start with JavaScript, while you should learn Python if you are interested in data science or analysis. An additional thing to consider is the available jobs and position for the stack of your choice. If you want to work with banks in Nigeria, building and maintaining enterprise financial applications, you may want to learn languages such as C, C#, C++, and Java. These are the languages most financial institutions use for building their core infrastructure. The competition for these languages are actually low, and the demand for developers with these skills are high, especially in the banking sectors. You can also pay jobs at fintech startups like PageStack if you are good with languages such as JavaScript, Node.js, and the likes. In conclusion, the choice of what programming language or stack you want to learn depends on your end game, the industry you want to learn, the industry you want to work in, and of course, mastering the said stack or language. I still remain your girl, your favorite software developer, and of course, the founder of Grey Africa Hub, Vivian. Keep watching my YouTube series.